15 minutes to find
Here,
materials.
what are the rules?
to make a boat?
What are the rules?
There are none.
You have 15 minutes.
Oh, you're gonna regret that.
You just can't steal that actual boat back there.
And you can't steal stuff from other people's house. You have to ask first. And winner wins $1,000. Go.
1,000?
Go.
Did I just hear 1,000?
Go, Dawson.
You said no rules.
You have 15 minutes.
Said no rules.
If Dawson's participating, he's going
That's
to be
on
banned from the
camera.
group
No
this is
rules.
Go, Dawson, go.
Okay, they have 15 minutes after they get their materials to make the boat, and yeah, let's hope we'll be back in a little bit.
And
when
the
they start
creek
getting
in
stuff.
the back, whoever goes the farthest wins, unless they finish it, which probably no one will finish.
Mhm.
How's the golf ball hunting going?
Good.
Well, Cameron got a floaty. There's another thing, like, what happens if you, like, whoever's the least wet, too, so you might not want to get that where your butt is.
Oh my God.
Not even gonna touch the water.
Miles, Cameron got a floaty. You might want to blow up the floaty. Miles, seriously. Scurry, get a floaty or something.
Well,
Dawson, go get a floaty or
I don't got a float.
You don't got a floaty, bro.
Go try making a boat, Dawson. I don't want to
All right, Miles, move more this way.
Right here, spawn.
All right, yeah. It is the tire. First, the unicorn. You can see the bridge all the way down there. They have to go through the tunnels. Miles. Miles. You get the tunnel? Yes. Miles, you get the left tunnel all the way there. Cameron, you get the right tunnel. You'd be surprised in who comes out first.
You can, no, you guys get any tunnel.
Yeah, but try to keep separate. All right. People, get on your tubes. It's the tire versus the headless unicorn. All right, film them. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Cameron had the idea and Miles copies him. All right, come with us.
Cameron has his phone on him.
No rules. Never said we had to be.
No, Cameron, you have to be on your boat. You'll be
There's-
disqualified.
We said no
Oh,
rules.
it's caught in.
Yeah, but it's a boat. You have to be on your boat.
He's holding his boat.
You have to be on it. Oh my gosh, this is so close. Look at Miles.
Hey Cameron, where's your phone?
Where's my what?
Phone.
I put it at home.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, Miles is losing. Miles going for his third win. Cameron going for his second. This is gonna get so narrow. Miles, fight back. He's trying to shove you. Oh, Miles, he's in his leverage. You can't do that. Cameron got stuck on mud. Miles.
He's not making any.
Go, Cameron. Miles, shove him. He's not on his boat. He's not on his boat.
Neither are you, Miles.
Hey, halfway through, you have to sit on the boat. You have to sit on the boat.
That's cheating.
Oh my God, I think it might be stuck.
Go, Miles. Let the current take you. Oh my God, Miles got stuck on the bridge. Miles, go. We might be stuck. Oh, there's a rock. All right, you can. All right, you can get off. Just put it in the current, Miles. All right, yeah, instantly sit. Now, Cameron, sit. Let's go, Miles. Miles, you got this. Let the current take you. Oh, we got it! Miles, go! Oh, he got through it! Oh, he got through it! Oh my gosh, I think Miles has got him. It's so narrow. Alright, we're getting out of narrow alley. Oh, big alley, big space!
You can't do that.
Cameron, you have to sit. I literally got that on film. Are you disqualified? Alright, here we go. They're moving this way. Woo. Oh, now this is deep water. No, now! Swimmer. And he knows how to move.
No.
Miles, this is in a bathing suit. Cameron did it in close. Look at Miles go. Look at Miles moving. Oh,
Can I forfeit right here?
no. Go for There is an orange
I
golf
already
ball.
know mine.
Cameron. Since you quit, get that orange golf ball.
Wait, did you really quit?
Grab that orange golf ball.
Cameron, keep going. You can win.
Throw it up.
Cameron, you can still win. Go. We all believe in you. Take Miles. Just pull it away. You have to be in the boat. Oh, look at Cameron.
He's on.
Miles, he's on it. Miles, you might want to look. You can't do that. He's on his boat.
I'm in my boat.
Hey.
Can't do that. That's cheating.
All right, now you have to sit on it. I want to see a swimming race. Sit on it.
I get
Go, Cameron! Go!
Grab his feet.
Grab his feet, Cameron. You can't do that.
Oh, he's trying. Miles, you can't do
Miles,
that.
you can't do Oh my gosh. Look how close it is. Cameron, run! Miles, you can't. Swimming race. Oh, Cameron! Cameron, you had him. You're going to pass him.
My legs hurt.
Then swim.
I get hooked.
All right, Miles has to finish to win. Cameron, you were gaining so much. Why did you give up? Cameron, you gave up. Watch. Cameron's a quitter.
I'm so.
Look at the quitter. Oh my gosh, he gave up. But Miles is the only one in this job.
You can't do that. I'm sitting on my float. You
No!
can't.
Get in the water! Get in the water! You still might not have
Do that.
Miles, just sit up and go! Get in the water! Alright, let's get to the end of the bridge. Let's go.
It's actually getting closer.
I don't know who's gonna get it. Come on, come on. Who's gonna cut it? Oh my gosh! I actually don't know who won. They may pop out at the same time. We'll
they
have to
didn't.
we'll have to check.
Winning. I feel like, you know what? Since Miles technically should earn the money, I feel like we should do share steal. If Miles agrees, he could win the cash prize.
Alright.
But he doesn't have bragging rights.
How about you win the video with Miles and his cash prize?
Hey, I win the video and I win the cash prize, but I want to do a share steal to maybe give it away.
No. You won. Okay.
Fine, then I win the cash prize.
And Miles lost.
I say that